Hope you're all doing great. And how nicely all 4 commodities moved nicely in our direction I have predicted yesterday. So let's start our analysis starting with nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. So what do we have right here on net gas? And let's see what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the condition and the way we entered this trade. Personally, go back on 1 hour time frame right here. We already had a formation of a double bottom pattern right here. If you see, first bottom, we have a pullback. Then we have a second bottom right here with this green candle. Now it is a very aggressive way to enter double bottoms with a small green candles. Now at this point that is also a valid condition, but I'll be closely looking at this rejection box. If I enter this type of trade right here with this double bottom, I keep my stop loss somewhere below and take profit wherever you want to take it. But we have a good condition. We are also getting an RSI divergence right here, weakening in bearish momentum. For now I can see a price is pushing lower, but sometimes I have seen that price pushes lower with a wick, then it pushes back up. So if you want to be very careful with your entries, then let's see how this candle closes. If this closes as a red candle and then pulls back up with a wick, and then we have another green candle, that is also a strong buy signal. So that is what I'm looking at on 1 hour time frame. Nice one. So as you can see, I've already mentioned that we had an entry condition already, although we had a weak entry condition right here with this green candle. And I've mentioned that a stop loss will be below here, and I would personally wait for a better entry, which will be a next candle closed as a bullish engulfer. If we have a red and green candle, I clearly mentioned yesterday, and exactly as you can see, we had a red and green candle, and that was my better entry. Although you could have entered here. If you are my student, you know all types of double bottom entries and you know what entry is right here, but that would be an absolutely valid entry as well. So we had a condition here and I've set my stop loss below 8 points, and as you can see, the target has been hit just now. That is how you can enter your trades, with conditions, with patience. And I also mentioned that we have a nice divergence in the RSI right here, and that is also one of my added confidence to take my trades, and that was also signal in weakening in bearish momentum. So we had all the conditions in our favor and we had a good trade out of that. So at this point, what I'm looking at, simply I just want to see a good break above this zone, above 50 EMA as well. So once I see a good break above this zone, I'll start to look for bullish trades only with pullbacks, which is my pullback entries, and keep on taking longs until the price hit the next level of resistance, which is right up there. 3.298 goes up to 3.432, a zone from where I look to enter my sell trades. For now, I'm just looking for conditions, looking for a break above 50 EMA and this area of value as well. Once we have that, I'm going to take my long trades with conditions, and I'll also pay attention to this rejection box right here. Once the price approaches this rejection box, I'll still look for the condition from this rejection box as well. So keep an eye ahead. These are the conditions I'll be looking at, not selling net gas as long as we are above this area of value. Right here on capital.com, exactly the same. All the conditions are same. The zone above is my selling zone. Right here, the number in blue, if you want to plot these zones on the charts, this was my selling zone, and the zone where the price is currently at is right here. I've already mentioned these zones to my members in my last video. So these are the area I'll be looking at. For now, I'm just looking for buy trades. As you can see, we also have a bullish engulfing pattern on daily time frame, which is also a good signal that price wants to push up if it closed as a bullish engulfer on daily time frame as well. So from now, I want to see a good momentum above 50 EMA. Once we have that, I want to see a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs till the price hit my level of resistance, which I've just mentioned. I'll also pay attention to this rejection box number in blue to look for a possible setups for my sell trades. Right here, if you're trading on NEMEX, these are the zones I'll be paying attention for my trades, and I've just set a new zone right up there in case if you want to plot these zones. Right here, the new resistance level is 3.462 goes up to 3.610. I'm going to send these zones to my members as well. For now, you can plot these zones if you're watching this video exactly the same as I've just mentioned. Right here, I just want to see a complete break above 50 EMA to take another possible long trades followed by bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs till the price at the next level of resistance, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with conditions like bearish engulfers and my double top entry conditions. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at to enter my trades. For now, I'm just waiting for the better entry. I'm waiting for the break above I've just mentioned with the pullback and keep on taking longs. Next one, we have gold. What an awesome push up out of gold. And if you are an aggressive trader, I've already mentioned that your entry has been played out right here at 50% retracement, and target was 1.618 retracement. Stop loss was below here. And let's see what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. Like I mentioned yesterday, if you are an aggressive trader, your entry would have played out at 50% retracement right here. and stop loss below this pattern. Now if you have entered at 50% retracement, one ATR target has been hit already, $11, and ATR is $9. And if you have your stop loss below this rejection box, then $17 is your target, and then you can manage it to 1.618 retracement, which is $28 target. So that is how you can manage your trades if you want to. Nice one. So as you can see that your take profit has been hit, and a good take profit of from 50% retracement right here. We have a $28 take profit has been hit right here. Price pushed up nicely and now about to hit the level of major resistance. This is a major area from where I'll be looking to enter my trades. I won't be entering straight away because we are still not in the area. Patience is the key. Make sure you wait till the price hit the zone without a fear of missing out, without any type of greed. So these are the conditions we need to be waiting for with patience, because if you start selling here, all this stress, it can still push down from here, but all the stress you will go through if the price pushes up, that will damage you emotionally. So make sure you enter your trades once you see a good conditions right here in 1965.65 goes up to 1979.07, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers, my double top 382 candle inverted hammers. These are my selling conditions. For now, what I'll be looking at for now, if I see a good pullback of few candles followed by a bullish engulfer, in that case I'll still take another long till the price hit my level I've just mentioned. So I'll look for buy and sell conditions. Both buy will be with the pullback, bullish engulfer, sell will be from this zone I've just mentioned. Next one, we have silver. We have a good take profit hit for silver as well, both aggressive and less aggressive entry. Now if you are a less aggressive trader, we already had a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. If you're my student, you know this entry. If you are my priority group, you have seen the pullback entries exactly what we have a condition here and target was hit. If you are an aggressive trader, the way I would enter this trade right here after the break, something like this. We have an exact hit of 50% retracement, your order has been triggered, and that hit your take profit of 1.618 retracement. So both entries has been triggered with conditions. Now I'm expecting a good pullback. It can still hit 786 retracement, and then we might get a possible condition like bullish engulfer. And if I have that, I'm going to take my long trade and keep on taking longs until price pushes higher and hit the next level of resistance. I'm going to mention a minor level of resistance in silver because gold is about to hit a level of major resistance, and if a gold gives us a pullback, silver will also give us some pullback. So we have a resistance level here, which I'm going to mention in my next video to keep an eye for your possible trades. Last one, we have crude oil. Crude oil is now pushed up in the zone, and if you have seen my last video, I've clearly mentioned that if this candle closes as a bullish engulfing candle, we have a buy signal. And let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. If next candle we have a bullish engulfing candle, we have a buy signal, and price will likely push up, and we can get a possible double top pattern and other push down. Nice ones. So how nicely the conditions are meeting and how nicely we're taking our entries. We took sell trade with bearish engulfer, then we have the pullback, buy trade with bullish engulfer. ATR is $1, and if you would have entered here, your $1 target has been hit easily, is $2. And now what do we have? We had a sell condition. We had a swing high bearish engulfing candle. That is your entry right here. Stop loss above the wick, take profit wherever you want to take it. It's totally up to you. It is a minor resistance, still it is not a major resistance. If you go one ATR is $1, something like this. If you want to very precise with your stops and target, or if you want to keep your stop loss above the wick, that's totally up to you. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at. We have a sell signal right here, a swing high bearish engulfer, and we can get some pullback from here before the price will head higher, if not completely reversed from here. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me or email me at support@moneymarkets.net. I'll get back to you ASAP. We hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.